handy. So here to talk about these guys, these 6. So starting from a straight up tennis racket, we always start with the psi, and it's going to rotate 90 degrees. Right, so now it's flat. If it was, it's hard to pan around with my hand because you can't see my hand. But then theta would lay it flat, rotation on the y-axis, and then if you're holding it to the racket's at your hilt, D would then move it to the left because of the right hand rule, 90 degrees. So that's how we get this. So kind of be like that if I was looking at you, if you were looking at it. And then changing any of these would change any of that. So like if we make this 0, it's going to lose that last rotation. It's just going to be twisted and laying flat down. So obviously it's kind of arbitrary, but then look like that to you. Yeah, rated a little bit. Anyway, so let me get these. So these are your initial conditions. So theta is a throw around the y-axis, or in this case, the axis. First I can say is that it's in the same plane as the tennis racket. In this case, by the hilt. But it's on the end, so it doesn't split the tennis racket at all. So you flip it. So, for example, if you're holding it, this would be like flipping it toward you, right? To flip that, kind of moves a little bit, where it's hard to do perfectly. You need a little bit of psi in there, a little bit of turning it in accent, which is how you get that little bit of adulation right at the end. Actually, not right at the end, where you get that whole little adulation throughout the whole thing. That's where that comes from. So again, if you spun it around phi, we'd expect to see is it's spinning around, not flipping, just spinning around like a top. And you won't be able to see this like that. Not like a top. It'd be spinning around, laying flat down, but staying in the same plane the tennis racket is in anyway. If you come in here, and this should, I haven't tested this, yep, see how it spins right around the plane that it's in, right around the z-axis. So yeah, and then, the psi is just a spin around the central axis of the object. In the direction that the object's pointing is the direction of psi that's going to rotate around. So this is just going to be spinning around right where it lays. It's just going to spin just like that. So you can combine these in all weird ways, get all the different flips and stuff. So yeah.